Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing really well. It's been a while. I sat down and spoke to you guys, and in today's video I'm going to speak about the L'Oreal Paris Crystal Micro Essence. Now this is a liquid skincare product that penetrates 10 layers deep into the skin because of its ultralight micro essence technology, and which is why it helps to repair and build your skin from deep within. How cool is that? I'm going to speak about quite a few things about this product in this video. I'm going to begin with the packaging, I'm going to speak about the texture, also about how and when to use it, the benefits of the product, the prices, the sizes, all of that good stuff, and really quickly and really shortly. So the first thing I'm going to begin with is this packaging. It feels so rich, so premium, so classy, so chic, so sleek, everything good about this. It's this mattifying glass feel. Alright, the next thing I want to speak about with the packaging itself is, it's this thing. It doesn't really have a pump. It doesn't have a pump dispenser. Basically, it has this whole dispenser that just dispenses the right amount of product that you need on top of your skin. By that, I mean that you're not going to end up wasting excess product that just dispenses itself out. You're just going to get the exact right amount of product that you need for your skin. So that's about the packaging, and it's available in 3 sizes. I'm just going to come to that in a bit. The second thing I want to speak about is the texture. Now that you guys saw me pour this into my hand, you must have noticed that this is definitely a liquid skincare product. It actually is like water in consistency, and which is why it soaks it into the skin so beautifully. It doesn't feel oily, it doesn't feel greasy or sticky whatsoever on top of the skin. In fact, because of that ultra lightweight micro essence technology, it actually soaks in and seeps it into the skin 10 layers deep, and which is why the skin on top starts to feel really soft and smooth. The other thing I want to speak about is how to use this product. All you need to do is, on a perfectly cleansed skin, take about 3 to 4 drops of this product on your palm like that, and then you don't really have to rub it aggressively. Just take that product, pat it on top of your face, beginning with your forehead, your cheeks, your chin, and then just dab it into the skin very mildly, very gently, and that is it. You do not even need a cotton swab to apply this product. It's simple application, no rocket science there, very, very easy to follow. The other thing is when to use it. So you can use this product twice a day in your morning as well as your nighttime skincare routine. In the morning routine, you can actually use it in quite a few ways actually. You can pair it up with your sunscreen, you can use it before your sunscreen, you can also use it instead of your moisturizer, because it hydrates the skin from deep within. And you can also use it, small tip there, you can also use it before your makeup application. Basically, it works as a skincare-ish kind of primer in a way, just putting it out there. And in the nighttime routine as well, you can definitely include this product. Now, when it comes to the time around, like the season around you, or the weather around you, as to how it's compatible with the weather or the season, basically you can use it in the drier months as well as during a humid kind of weather or place if you're in. So in the drier months, this actually helps you to hydrate your skin from deep within. It adds that plumpness that your skin needs. It brings that radiance, that glow from deep within. And in a humid kind of condition, for example, if you live in Bombay, you probably know it's really humid here, it's really hot, and that is when it helps you to refresh your skin from deep within. So basically you can use this in drier as well as humid weather conditions. So I've spoken about the texture, I've spoken about the packaging, how and when to use it, and coming to the benefits, it helps us to hydrate and plump our skin from deep within, adds that radiance, that glow that our skin needs, refreshes our skin, softens and smoothens the skin from the top, and it does work on reducing fine lines and wrinkles as well. I will keep you guys posted on my entire journey with this product for sure, but for now it has definitely been working on hydrating, adding that plumpness, that radiance that my skin needs. Lastly, it is available in 3 different sizes, the first one being 22 ml, which genuinely makes me so damn happy, particularly because I travel quite a bit and I go to the gym, and I like to carry my skincare at both of these places, whether I'm traveling or going to the gym. Either way, I like to have my skincare with me, and 22 ml is going to be the perfect size for me, and it's costing rupees 250. The second size is 65 ml, which is available for rupees 799, and the third one is 130 ml, which is available for rupees 1400. So that is that. I would like to believe that a little bit of this product does go a really long way, because all you need is 3 to 4 drops in the morning and 3 to 4 drops in the nighttime. So how much can you possibly use, you know? So whatever size you go in for, I would like to believe it will go a really long way. It's definitely gonna last you quite a bit. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope that this was helpful to you. I really hope that you found this video useful. If you'd be interested, I'm gonna link this product in the bottom bar for you guys. Definitely check it out. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Take care of your skin, and thank you L'Oreal Paris for making me a part of this. Thank you so much. Have a good day. I will see you guys super soon in my next one. Bye.